Okay, so instructions number 1, using for in, iterate through the spaceship.crew object in the code editor and console.log a list of crew roles and names in the following format: crew member's role, crew member's name, chief officer Dan. Okay, so we're going to start off by iterating for it. Crew member spaceship.crew spaceship.crew. Then we're going to go ahead and log, start off with template literals. Go ahead and log member. If we do that, go ahead and log crew member, because we're already within spaceship.crew. And if we log crew member, it's going to give us the captain. Okay, so then crew member's name. And then we're going to start off with crew. We're going to start from the beginning again. There's a little typo. We're going to start from the beginning again. So we're going to access spaceship, spaceship.crew to go within this concise body, to be within this curly braces or within this concise body. And then we need to access this chief officer, right? So look, spaceship.crew. Then we're going to start again with spaceship.crew. Then we'll spaceship.crew. Now we're going to access now the crew member, which is going to be captain. Yes. So we're going to access crew member now. Within the array. And then what we're going to access we're going to access the name. Remember dot the name. Run that. Okay, so Captain Lily, Chief Officer Dan, Medic Clementine, Translator Shauna. Okay, so that's right. Okay, so next, number 2, using for in, iterate through the spaceship.crew object in the code editor and console.log a list of crew names and degrees in the following formats: crew member's name, crew member's degree, Lily Computer Engineering. So let's start again. For let's crew member in space ship crew. Go ahead and log using template literals. Crew member's name. So this time, if we're within spaceship.crew, Now we're going to log the crew member's name. Okay, spaceship.crew. Now we're here. Then the crew member's name. So one of the crew members' name. But why? Here we accessed crew member, right? So the crew member was the captain. So we had to access crew member, which is the captain now. Now we accessing crew member's name. Okay, so this this is a concise body within a concise body. So in other words, we're gonna have to go back, reiterate. So we've accessed crew member's name, but we haven't accessed this concise body over here. So we're gonna have to within the curly braces now. Basically reiterate spaceship.crew crew member. Then we want the crew member's name dot spaceship crew. And we're gonna access crew member's degree. Crew member. Then dot degree. Run that. Looks like we've got a bit of a typo here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so for that crew member in spaceship.crew console.log spaceship.crew crew member dot name spaceship.crew crew member dot degree. Okay, that's all right. It was just a small typo. All right, let's move on.